Hi,
Hi,
this is Carlo,
and Seb.
and then what we're going to do today is we're going to unbox our Paris haul
2019.
2019-2020. What's gonna happen is that we changed our channel for the second time around. We changed it from Charles, California to Charles&Seb, and then now because my name is really Carlo, so we're going to change that one to Carlo and
Seb.
Seb channel on this YouTube platform. And then here we're going to show you lifestyle, fashion, and then our travels. And then if you're really into that one, please do subscribe. Check our channel. What are we gonna do today?
The unboxing for the different purchases we did.
Yes.
So the first one we bought in Le Bon Marché store or mall, I don't know.
So yeah, this one is from Le Bon Marché, yeah. And then this is the one that he picked for me. So this is the Zespa, and then this is the shoes. What is Zespa, baby?
So it's a French brand made in Portugal.
So it's a French brand, and then I really like about this one. And then how much did you get this one?
The regular price is 295 euros.
Uh-huh.
And so after you can apply for the tax and for the
And then
pre-sale. So the final price is 180.
and then it comes with a dust bag, 2 dust bags, because of course there's a pair. It says here Zespa. What is the meaning of OX and Provence?
It's part of France.
Oh, it's a part of France. And then here's the shoes. It's blue. There you go. Blue and then orange on top. So there's the name. And then here's the bottom part of it. So yeah, and then here's the shoes. So, and then this is all leather, no?
Yeah,
Leather, and then what is this?
Dun in France, I don't know.
Oh, so yeah, and then, so yeah, so that's number one. This one he picked for me. This is the style that we liked, that he really picked for me for that particular day. So yeah, and then there's another one, of course, and then what is this?
It's for change the color of the.
Oh, so you can change the color of it too. Oh, there's an extra one.
Extra one.
So yeah, there's an extra tie. So yeah, so there's that. I'll show you both. There you go. Ta-da! So it's really giving me an inch or two. So yeah, so this is that. So that's number one. And then we're gonna go to our Gucci's. Okay. Okay, so how are we gonna do this? Are we gonna do this at the same time, or we're gonna do it at one at a time?
Just one of them because it's the same.
Okay, so you do that then.
So for these shoes, we decided to take this one because it's for suite.
Yes,
No,
for the suits.
for the suit.
Yeah, for the suits that we're going to have. And then this one, we got this one from the outlet store. I don't know the particular outlet store. Can you tell them what particular outlet store?
The name of the outlet is La Valle Village in Valle d'Europe, one station before Disneyland Paris.
There we go.
So you have the information about the shoes.
The shoes. There you go.
2 dust bag in silk.
There you go. Ta-da!
And
There's the shoes. It's just a simple one with the Gucci collar on the bottom. So yeah, there you go. And then this one is size 10. This is mine. So there you go. And then it says here made in Italia. So yeah. And that's that. And then we have 2 of this one. So he has another one. So the other one is his, the other one is mine. So it's the same thing on this one. And then this one is his size. His size is... What's your size, baby?
6 or 6.5.
There we go. It's the same thing as the other one with the Gucci color on the bottom. So it's really subtle, right? That's why we really like it. Okay. And then what else did we get at Gucci?
Just a belt.
And then this one. And then this one we got...
So again, the dust bag in silk.
Yes, in the dust bag in silk. And then here's the belt. It's just really a simple one. Simple belt. So
And
yeah.
it's a Gucci leather.
Yeah. The Gucci leather. That's what he said. And then is it color blue?
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's color blue and
The size is 100 and
in silver. Yeah, in silver color hardware. So yeah, and then there you go. I don't know if you're gonna see it, but yeah, there you go. Okay, so that's what we got from Gucci. The shoes.
the shoes we bought, the regular price it was like 600 euros and we paid like 180 euros.
So yeah, there you go, 180 euros each. And then the belt, how much was the belt?
The regular price is like 400 euros and we
Yes.
bought like 120.
$120 because it was on the outlet. And then, so yeah, there you go.
Bon appétit. No, joking.
Yeah. Okay, so the other one, where did we get that?
The Hermes and the best for the final.
Yes, of course, we need to do the Hermes first. And then this one, we got this one from the flagship store at the...
At the Rue Saint-Honoré,
Yeah.
Saint-Honoré Street,
Yeah.
the famous flagship, yes, of the brand.
Mm-hmm. Then I'll open it for you and then tell them what it is.
So it's a box orange color in
Mhm.
carton.
Yeah. And then of course it comes with the ribbon, the brown ribbon that they have.
And I try to open it. Hold on. Ta-da!
Ta-da! This is our first Hermes collection. So that one is exciting for us.
So here we go for the new baby.
Oh,
It's
that's
the coins wallet.
Uh-huh.
It's in leather. I don't know the name of this leather.
Yeah, me too. I don't know the letter's name. So it's the Bastia.
So it's made in France, as you can see.
Go ahead.
So it's made in France, and you have the
Snaps
snaps.
in silver, and then yeah.
Yeah.
This is our first Hermes collection.
And it's very light, so
Yeah.
very practical.
Mhm.
And about the price,
This was $180. There's no discount or anything with that one. So yeah. So the lady was so nice. She gave us 2 perfumes. So yeah. So she gave us 2 perfumes from there. It was busy, but she was able to entertain me and do this. And then this one is orange. I don't know how you say that. And then Voyage. Now that one I know how to pronounce that. So those are the perfume that they gave us. Okay. And then our favorite one, where did we get this?
I don't know if we have a space on the table for this other purchase.
I'll push that one. Where did you get this Louis Vuitton?
In the flagship of this brand in Champs-Élysées.
Champs-Élysées. Okay.
So we have different products.
So the first one that we got, ta-da!
Um,
This one, and then it does have the white ribbon,
you
and
can
then
open it.
and then the cool thing about this one, and then he pointed out to me was, it's made out the back. This one is made out of Bacheta.
Machette leather. Yes.
So yeah, that one's really nice. And then of course the Louis Vuitton logo or name. So this one, what is this one? Of course, this is the Agenda 2020 for the Agenda GM. So what we have here, I'll show you what we have here is what's this Cartes de Mundo?
It's a
The world
map
map.
of the world. Yeah.
So there's the world maps. There's the repertoire. What's repertoire?
For put the names of the friends or the contacts.
So there you go. And then and then the agenda itself. So because we do have the big agenda, histories de voyage. So what is that? And then this one, it comes with this, the carton. It's a cardboard. So yeah, so this is what we got. Okay, so that's the first one. What else, baby?
So for the second product we bought, it's this one.
And
Big
then
box.
yes, so that one comes with the white ribbon again. Go ahead. There you go. That.
So here we have the new belt, and before to forget is Torillon leather.
Yeah.
The inch it's 4 centimeters, and the size it's 90.
Oh, 90.
And it's palladium.
There you go.
And it's reversible, so you
Reversible,
can put
so
the 2 colors.
what 2
or
colors do
brown
you have?
or blue.
Okay. Oh, nice. Yeah. So.
Very flexible, very good leather. And when you do the movement, you don't have the
Oh, the lines.
lines.
The lines that
it's
you're
very
going to
flexible.
have.
That's why we choose it.
Yeah.
So we recommend to buy this Torillon leather.
Yeah. Torillon leather is the way to go. And then, so did you tell them about the buckle?
Yeah, the buckle is removable. You can put for different colors. We will buy after.
Yeah, that's true.
And it's palladium, so it's precious.
And then there's
The logo.
There's the logo, the LV logo with the black, and then the palladium that he's talking about. So yeah. And then we also got the book. I already have one, so this is gonna be his. And then the concierge. Is that how you pronounce it? Concierge?
Concierge.
Concierge. He gave us one of this one. So thank you for that. And then I'll just tell this to them. So because of course I really want to commemorate again the time that I went here again for the second time around here in Paris. So I got the tag with the Eiffel Tower. They call it Tour Eiffel. So this one, we made a drama with that I lost my luggage tag. So because when you do have a history of a keepall or any bags with a tag, you can just use that drama tag, and you lost a tag, and then you can purchase this one. We bought this one for $50.
50 euros.
Oh, 50 euros, sorry. So this is 50 euros. And then I told them to stamp it with the Tour Eiffel on a silver. So yeah, this is really pretty. It matches the hardware of it. So that's good. It's matte. It's not shiny. So how much is the belt, baby?
I search. It's 550 euros.
So 550 euros.
And after you have the tax, like 10.8% of the tax.
And how about the
and
agenda?
about the refill, it's
I think it's
95 euros.
So 95 euros for this one. Okay. And then I'll talk about this and then you talk about the other one. So we got another one, another Louis Vuitton. And then at the same time, it does come with the white ribbon with the gold Louis Vuitton all over it. And then this one, because should we tell them? Because sooner or later we're going to move to, where are we gonna move, baby? Hold on, this is the right one. Okay, we're gonna move to, hold on. Okay, we're gonna move to Miami. So this is our plan. And then so we bought the city guide. And how much is this one, baby?
30 euros.
So this is 30 euros. And then, so it's a city guide in the city of Miami. So probably next year we're gonna be in Miami already, and we're gonna live there. So that's that. We already have one in Paris. We do have one in Los Angeles. It's pink. And then now we do have the Miami one.
The last one is just here.
There we go. Ta-da!
The key pochette.
Yes, nice. That's a nice one.
So we use it yet, so now I show you with my keys, but like that is like a very real. So it's in palladium or silver.
Yes, silver.
And damier graphite. And you can put additional keys like that. Just you do just a pression like that, and you up.
Yes, there you
so
go.
So it's easily, but not too easily like that. You don't have risk to lose the key. So that's perfect.
This is made in what, baby?
And it's made in France. I will show you. That's here.
So it's in there.
Okay. Easily to put in. And
there we
very
go.
light.
Yeah, it's. And the color too, he really likes it because it's masculine color. It's just gray, black, and yeah. So.
And about the price.
Yeah, how much is this
price
boy?
Is 140 euros.
So 140 euros plus the tax. So.
It was like 130.
Yeah, so $130 for that.
So again, it was not an economic trip.
Don't say that. So here's what we got for this trip in Paris, and yeah.
And so that's it for the moment, and hopefully you will follow us for the next trip and other place, hopefully.
Yes, and so this is the whole the Paris haul 2019-2020 that we had. We hope that you like what we showed you today and inspired you to be able to collect some memorable items that you go when you travel. And yeah, so thank you very much for watching. This is Carlo.
That's it.
And then we will see you again in the next video. Do what makes you happy. Bye.
It's good.